Welcome to Z-Index. In this tutorial, I will show how to add Call Now button in a WordPress website. This button will only appear in the mobile device. We are using Call Now button WordPress plugins. Download and install the plugins. From the settings page, add your phone number and button text. You can customize the button color and other things from the advanced option. I changed the browser size, because it will only show from the mobile or similar small devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us.